Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to do a vertical stripe crochet pattern. For this pattern, you will need to know how to do a double crochet, a half treble crochet, a treble crochet, and a double treble crochet. If you need help with any of those stitches, please check down in the description below for links on how to do those stitches. Now this pattern might look a little bit intimidating, but it actually is super easy. So to get started, you want to do chains of multiples of 13. Once you have your 13 chains, or as many as you need in those multiples, you want to chain 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, you want to do your first treble crochet. Followed by 3 more treble crochets across the row for a total of 4. Then we will chain 2, skip 2, and double crochet. Then we will chain 2, skip 2, and do 4 more treble crochets to the end of the row. Alright, this is how row 1 should look. And as you can tell from the pattern above, if you want to make your work much larger, you would just repeat this. So once you finish your last 4 treble crochets, you would just start again with your 4 treble crochets, chain 2, skip 2, double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, 4 treble crochets. So for row 2, we are going to chain 2, and we are going to do 4 half treble crochets. Followed by a chain 2, and then work 1 double treble crochet in the double crochet stitch. Chain 2, then work 4 half double crochets to the end of the row. And this will be your repeat for the patterns as row 1 and row 2. You can see how that forms the beautiful pattern for this project. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 more, repeating row 1 and 2. So you want to chain 3, work 4 treble crochets, chain 2, a double crochet, chain 2, 4 treble crochets. Chain 2, work 4 half treble crochets, chain 2, work a double treble crochet, chain 2, and work 4 half treble crochets. And there you have it. That is how you do the vertical stripes crochet pattern. I think honestly this would make a beautiful cardigan or blanket design. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I hope you have a happy crochet day.